Yes, now we are good to go. Okay. So what we learned in yesterday's session? Please, anyone, can you let me know what we learned in yesterday's session? Yes, anyone from you? What we learned? Is it any hard question I asked you? A simple question I asked. What we learned in yesterday's session? Yes, Anjali, Sakshi, Prajwala, Utkarsh, Pranjali, Akshay. Solve codes on array. Yeah, we solved the codes on array. Very good. How many questions we solved? What are the number of that examples? How many examples we covered? 5 examples. Good. So can anyone guess what we will learn in today's session? As we have covered your array, what will be the agenda of today's session? Can anyone guess? As per your syllabus, I am going. After array, what is the next point? Okay, Pranjali is correct. That is string. Then after that, pointers. Okay, we will first take string. Then after that, pointers. So let me go now with the string. If you are good now in array, the string is like a very simple task for you. You will be learning today, and tomorrow we will be practicing questions on string. Okay, just wait one more minute so I can begin. So how many of you are answering questions in the comment section of YouTube and following the same format which is given by our team, Kodia? How many of you are following the same pattern? So remember, you will be getting a T-shirt, okay, as a gift. A T-shirt where the logo of Kodia will be printed. Okay, you will be getting it as a gift. Remember this thing. For continue 20 videos, you need to comment your answers in that format. What is it mentioned in the message? The same message is also posted by our team on the group as well as YouTube as well as Instagram as well as LinkedIn. All the things is all the different platforms. The same things is they have shared. Let me see who will be winning that T-shirt. It will be good. Okay, so I have done with the 10-5. Let it be teacher. Sorry, student will be joining. Student will be joining who in the meanwhile. I will not wasting time. I will be beginning. Now let me share my screen. So agenda of today's session is about your string. Repeating same thing, a very simple thing. Not any big task for you. Just you need a proper understanding and focus to learn the thing. Let me open. Okay, lecture number 12. Let me go into it and let me open my VS Code. Now see. Hmm. So agenda is string dot C. See now here. We are learning C. I hope everyone know this thing. Yeah. Strings in C. What is string? String is a collection of a letter, symbol, character, whatever it combines or numbers form a string. String is not your alphabet. Okay, many people think it is only alphabet. Now see how basically string represent how we can write a string and declaration as well as a proper definition of a string. Okay, so in C programming language, a string is represented as an array of what characters character. So in C, basically your string is represented as an array of characters. So what is the array of characters? Simple word will be defining the string more better way. So it is a sequence of Characters. It is a sequence of characters stored in stored in which memory? As we have seen, same concept in where your arrays stored in contiguous. What is the spelling of contiguous? Please check at your side if I have done the mistake. Okay, contiguous memory locations. Same thing. I'm writing in the string as well. But here you will be dealing with a character. Okay. So yeah, moving further. So if what happens if consider this thing. The thing is that I can write in manner this terminated. Okay, your strings get terminated. When it get terminated, when terminated by the null character. Now, what is your null character? See the representation of a null character. So this is generally your null character. Remember this point. This is your null character. Okay, what is the null character? So the null character marks the end of the string. Whenever your string will be going to end, it will be marked. It will be marked by what your null character marks the end of string. Means it will let you know when your string is got ended itself. Okay, by this null character. And what are the more things you should know about the strings? So strings in C are often manipulated, means implemented using various library. As we have used some library in the previous coding questions. As an example, I have explained you there. But what the thing I have mentioned, if you don't know, please ignore this thing. But in this lecture, please focus on the same thing. See here, strings in C are often manipulated. So same thing which I have told now. I am writing the same using various what various library functions define where it is defined. As I mentioned now, where it is defined in the, remember this thing, what is that, string dot h header, string dot h header. As you write stdio dot h, in the same way there is a string dot h, there is a string dot h. So we will now begin with your simple thing, how we will declare it, how we'll be using it. Okay, so up to this point all things are clear about the string. Just have explained you the brief about the string. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, Anjali, good. Yeah, Pranjali as well, and other students, Akshay, Utkarsh, good. So see now. So where was, okay, you know, we will see now some part of your code, how we declare, how we initialize it. So first thing, writing any code. First part is your declaration. How we declare it. See here. So the simple thing of a string declaration, if you are declaring any string, you need to write the proper way, that is your char str120. What is this 20? This is size of your string. What is str? It is a variable where you are storing this particular size of a string. What is char? It is a data type. What you have done the declaration. So this is the part of your declaration. Okay. So this declare a character array name str1 which can hold up to 20 characters. Which can hold up to how many characters? 20 characters. Okay. I hope all this is the basic thing we have learned up in all the things, all the concept of this. Second thing, initialization. You can see how all things are correlated to each other. You can see same thing we have done in the array. Okay, but there we are using int, double, float. In string we are using char. Char means your character. Here, how to initialize? Writing same thing, that your char str120. One thing remember here. Okay, it depends on you. What the things depend on you. If you want to write a size, write size. If you want to don't write it. No worries. You can initialize in this way. If you don't know the size, you can write. Suppose I want to write Yash, my name. This is my name in front of you. I have written properly. Initialization. I have done declaration, and if you're doing this whole part, this is called as initialization. So here what I have done, I have done str2, which is declare and initialize with the string what? Yes. Okay. Hope this point is clear to all. Yes or no? Please answer in yes or no.
Yes.
Okay, good. So this is the basic thing you should know. Now we will move with the example. So with the help of example, those students have not cleared it, they will be understanding it. Okay. So I will be taking some simple example to see. Moving with our example one. So what we can take a very simple example. Suppose mm, as a simple example, we can take greeting example. Yeah, it is a good example as a beginner. Greeting example. How to greet particular person using with the help of a string. See now. Yeah. First thing what I have mentioned you. Let me write here. Now we are understanding. We are learning string. So please include this header file as well. This is your string.h header file. All the functions related to string will be containing in this header file. Whenever we will be using, I will be explaining each and every function which we will be using. Okay, no need to worry. So you can see in our main part, one thing is added, that is a string.h, a header file. So first thing we learn is that our declaration and what? Initialization. Initialization. Okay, spelling is correct. Let it be. If it is wrong, please correct it. So I am here making char greeting where I am writing hello and some space because further I will be getting some name. Okay, so let me take a char name and let me take my name. I am taking my name. Okay, yes, and yeah, now done with this part, and now I want to perform a concatenation. Concatenation. I hope I have clear. I have explained this concept before as well, but I am explaining here itself again. But here I will be explaining with the help of we are including this part. Yes, I hope you are clear with this part. So from that I will be taking strcat strcat. So many of you are thinking what is this. So let me first write it. In it greeting comma name and semicolon. So let me explain you what is this strcat. So this is a function. What is this? Is this the above thing? It is a function is used to concatenation or let me write in a proper way. Okay, function is used to concatenate your name on to the end of greeting. So here I am taking my example, and with the help of that my example which I have taken above, so it will be making you more, giving you more clear idea about it. So that's why I am explaining in this format. Okay, simple thing. What did strcat do? It performed the work of concatenation. Remember in it. Okay, very good. So let me print what I will be printing. I will be printing greeting, greeting, percent s. Why percent s? I hope this point is clear to now. If I am explaining this point, it means it will be a not good thing for you because we have covered this point in our data types. Why I am writing percent s here? Okay. Now let me write in your here one thing again, that is your int length. I want to also showcase you the concept of a length. So there is one more function. There is one more function that is strlen, and let me write greeting in it. Explaining two functions in the one code. It is a very good thing. So what is this strlen basically defines? So your strlen here, what was that? Str cat. I will be printing also, okay? But first, see what I'm writing. So this is the function. This is the function. As you can see itself, what is it written? Used to calculate and print the length of the length of the resulting string. What will be the result? It will be printing us the length of it. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm good to go now. Anything I left to write? Okay, let me print the length as well. Let me print the length as well. Length of your greeting. Percent D backslash n comma writing here what length. So yeah, let me save it. Let me minimize it so you can see whole code at a time. You can see now whole code at a time. Let me save it and run it. Greeting. Hello Yash. Length of greeting is 11. Let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Please, whenever we are counting the length, also include spaces as well as comma in it. Any special character as well as spaces, count it. So it will be your total length, that is your 11. So everyone clear with this point? Yes or no? Yes or no? Just comment, write Y in the chat box so I will come to know. Okay, you are giving thumbs up, that will be also fine. Okay. What about others? Have you understand this thing, that is strct, strlen? Yeah, very good. Let's move further now. Taking more example, okay? Example makes you more perfect. Here. Let me comment this part. So example number 2. Okay. So here we'll be taking a let me take a string input now. Okay. So I will be taking a string input in front of you. Let's see what will be happening. How it is possible. Yes, it is possible to take a string input because any program we can make a user friendly. Whatever as we have learned up to now. Okay, string input. So this thing, these are header files. Your let me write main. Remember string.h. Okay, write string.h. So basically, see here what I am writing. So I want to take now the user input. Okay, I am just focusing, just explaining you how to take a user input in a string. So let me name it as a user input. I will do the part of a declaration. Let me pass the length as a 19. Sorry, 20 size of that particular string. So now I will be doing my first task, that is your get user input. I will be taking input. Okay. So printf, enter the string. So there will be someone who will be entering any string. So there will be evaluating scanf %19s. Why I have written %19s? There is a reason of writing it. Can anyone let me know? While starting of the session, here I have explained you one thing. Why I have not written a 20? Please anyone explain me the reason. While I am printing it, please explain me the reason. I want a reason from anyone. Why I have taken %19s? We can take percentage only, but we have taken some size. That's why I provided it. Yes, anyone? May let it be wrong. No worries. Yes, anyone? Why am taken person 19s? I know you know percent s, but why person 19s? Anyone? So let me explain you. Anyone not answered it? The reason is in the scanf function, as we know, it is a format specifier. So while reading it in a string form, we break the percentage represent your what to read a string, but 19. So this will be the maximum field specifier as you have set the limit. Okay, it ensures that only 19 character can be read, and it will be provided to the your console, your output. So if you want to see the result now, you can see here itself. If I entered here, uh, let me write let me write C program. I don't know what will be this length. Let me write. So you can see I got only C because it might exceed from 20. It might exceed. It might exceed. So let me write hmm, C programming in this way. Yeah, I hope now it is clear to us. Yes or no? Yes or no? Has the input function clear to us? How we take an input? Yeah, Anjali. What about others? Okay. It means you are doing something with me. I am considering in that way. Okay. Okay. Good. Very very basic and simple things. Okay. See now. One more example. Commenting this part. Please practice this part. Okay. Please practice. Take some more examples, more output from your side. Example number 3. So in this example, we will be seeing string comparison. How we can compare two strings? How we can compare two strings? See now. This is your two header file. Print main. Return 0. Main part written properly. Now see. In this, I will be taking a two string. Okay, let me take a two string. For example, char. Your str1. I don't know of length. So I'm writing direct apple. Taking the example of a fruit name. Char str2 as. Let me write a fruit name as any small name. Okay, mango. Okay. Now I am will be comparing strings. I will be comparing strings. I will be comparing strings. No need to worry. Okay, while comparing the strings, no need to worry while comparing the strings. See how I am doing. Why I am writing int. Why I am writing int. See now here. strcmp. strcmp. What is strcmp? The name itself says that str stands for string. Cmp for your comparison. Cmp for your comparison. Let me print it. Let me print it. Just see the output. So comparison result will be person d exclamation result. Okay. Let me let me check the output. Okay, what will be the output? Yeah, -1. Why -1? Can anyone let me know why -1? Why -1? Any guesses? Why -1? As we have used HTRC. Yeah, yeah. Anyone? Yes. Go ahead.
String character is more
Hmm.
than string first.
Okay. So someone answer something. I was not able to hear what you have told. Please, you can repeat it. Yes. So okay. Let me explain you what is the concept behind it. Okay. A very very simple thing is happening here. What thing is happening here? See. Why I've written here int. So basically, remember this is used for your comparison. strcmp. Okay. This is a function. So which help to compare, but what is the way of comparing? So the way of comparing will depend on the lexicographical comparison. I don't know, have you heard about this term? Lexi, what is the spelling? Lexico. Please check the spelling, okay? Lexicographical comparison. So this is the concept. What does it mean? So if you're not understanding what is this, see, I'm writing in the simple way. Suppose consider the case. Case one is that case one is that str1 is less. str1 str1 is lexicographically less than str2. What it means, comes before in dictionary order. The result will be negative number. The result will be negative number. So what does it means basically? What does it mean basically? As the words are given here itself, apple as well as a mango. Okay, apple as well as mango. So apple and mango. So what you can compare in the, if you're writing compares comes before, means apple comes before mango. It is a very simple thing in dictionary order. It, what is mean by dictionary order? The order will be following your what is we call this, letter, alphabetical order, dictionary order, a proper dictionary order. Okay, so let me write in this way. If you're not understanding, let me write in this way. Copying this number, copying mango, pasting it here, and writing apple here. Now see the output. You will be getting a which number? Positive number. That is a one. That is a one. The reason is see the case one. So in the case one, if what happens in the case one, if your str1 is less than str2, means you can consider with this example a, what you are taken. Let me do the reverse here again as per our example, so it will be going to explain you proper way. So here what happens, a is this thing is happening here, as you can see. Yes, is this thing happening here, is less than str2, means what does it defines, comes before in dictionary. You can say it's come before the dictionary. A comes before the dictionary, means a comes first, then m comes. Okay, remember this part. So you will be getting the answer in what manner? That is will be your, that thing will be your negative, negative, negative. What will be the case 2? Case 2 will be, case 2 will be your str1 equal to str2. The output you will be getting, that will be 0. It means both the string are same. And case 3 will be str1 greater than str2. Here a will be greater than m. So as well we're following our dictionary, so we'll be getting a positive number. We'll be getting a positive. So this is a basic simple concept. Uh, yes, we have checked for apple mango. We get a -1 after running it. So you can say comparison result we got a -1. But if I make it same now, if I make it same, so you can see the output what we are getting. Do we get 0? You can see in the screen itself. So we got a 0 as an output. We got a 0 as an output. I hope this concept is clear to all now. Yes, it is clear. Simple thing I have explained with the help of a proper explanation. Yeah, Anjali, what about others? Okay, okay. So I hope strcmp, what? strcmp for comparison. So we will move with the next example. You know, so the next example is also again a very good example. See, let me close this terminal. Example number 4. So in this example, the example name itself is, what is the example name I have written? What is that name? Let me write it properly for you. Substring extraction. Oh, what a good name. Substring extraction. So I have just written this name. I will be explaining you the concept. So see, sub string extraction. So something we are extracting. What we are extracting? I will first explain you what is the concept behind it. Suppose, listen. Suppose I have a big string. So let take a string at self. Extract this substring. So this is the string I have. A full string I have. A big string I have. And that itself contains a big string that contains extract this substring as a sentence in it. Okay. So I want to extract some part of it. So how can I extract it? Okay. So there are some functions we can use of string.h. How we can do? How can we perform the operations? Let's see one by one, stepwise. Okay. A very simple and basic thing. Just we want to extract some part from it. See. Int main. Let me take that string only which I have mentioned you. Suppose char. I will name it as a full string. Please name a variable properly. I don't know its size, so let me write extract this. I have written extract this substring. Okay. Now I want to extract. So let me make something more here. I'm making a substring. I'm making a substring here of size 10. Okay. So I will be extracting a size of 10. 10 size means 10 letters, or we can say length will be the 10. I will be extracting this part. How will we are doing? So see, extract substring, writing in a proper manner. So here the function we are using, that is str. You can see after writing str in VS Code, you can see how many functions are there for str. You can see strcat, strchr, strcmp, strcall, strcpy, strcspn. There are lot many. For this thing, we need strncpy. What is this? Again, a big question. Oh, what is this now? This is looking quite dangerous for a lot many. If you are new, it may be hard for you. See, listen, very simple thing it is doing. So you can see here CPY. It is doing. It is used to copy characters from what your string, which is having means you want to copy some characters from a string. You can do it. So here what we are doing, we are copying some characters from what full string. So strcnpy do that work. Is it clear? What is the use of str and cpy? Yes or no? Anyone, please just give me confirmation so I can write code ahead. Yeah, anyone?
Yes.
Okay. So see. So let me write my substring there first. So this is a basic syntax how we write. Then my full string. Then I am writing here something, you can see plus 8. Why I have written plus 8 and 9. A very simple explanation for it. A very simple explanation for it. As you can see above. As you can see above. We have taken a substring. But as I have mentioned while writing the definition, I have mentioned for writing the definition, every last character is your which character, which is this character, what is this character, anyone, what is this character, please anyone let me know which is this character.
Null.
Yeah, null. So remember, we are extracting from the middle of the string. We will never know where the string will be ending because we need to show here it will be identifying, yeah, either the string is ending. But when we are taking a substring, we are taking some part of the string. So last element, that was 9, starting from the 0, it will be your null terminate, or you can see the null terminate substring, or whatever you want to say, null, what will you say? Basically a null thing. Okay, remember this thing. So let me write a null terminate. This null will be going to terminate our this. So this will be going to help us to terminate our part. Okay, now see how it will be helping. Simple thing, if you're not understanding thing, just go and print. So one thing I was also I want to explain you, if you are getting error for any particular line, go with the printf statement. If you are getting occurring error anywhere else, go and write the printf. Whatever error you are getting, you will be getting a debug it. Go and debug in that manner. Okay, you will be getting, okay, I was getting result in this way, so what will be the correct way for getting a result? You will be understanding. So what is I'm writing here? Okay, sorry. I have written percent %s. Let me write percent %s. Now substring colon. I hope I have done with my code. And if the concept why I have written, what is that your a plus set as well as plus 9. So see here why I have written this part. Okay. So strcpys will be helping for the copying purpose, but what will be the index? What will be the index? Where will be going to start? So this is my index. At the from the 8 index, I will be doing my work. I will be doing. You can change the index. So this will be the starting where. So suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be the point where I will be. What will be I will be doing? I will be starting from. I will be starting my index. I will be performing my task. Okay. So this will be from this I will be starting my substitution part. That is my extraction part. Okay. Remember this point. And what is 9? Again repeating what is 9. 9 is your here itself written. That is your termination. That is your termination. That is your termination. Also I have mentioned here null character. Your null character because we are extracting some part of thing. So you can you should need to define where your thing will be going to basically terminate. So see the output. The output you will be getting thus these subs. Why these subs? You know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me count again. Let me zoom it here. This will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10th will be your 10th will be your where is your 10th? This will be your 10th. So according to it, it is working quite fine, and the result we will be what we are getting is exactly the same what we are expecting from it. I hope it is clear. Is it clear? I've taken time to explain you. Is it clear? Yeah, Anjali, Akshay, Pranjali. Okay, very good, very good. What about others? Aditya, Arti, as well as who was there? Okay, Prajwala mentioned. Okay, good. So see, today's last question, a simple question. Okay, not a big deal. So same questions I will be asking you in the interview as well, and your examination. I don't know if they will be asking this type of question. It is a very good thing if they are asking. But as it is a theory based exam, so there will be some questions on these functions. What is this use of this function? So you can explain. As I have explained, I have taken around 2 to 3 minutes to explain the particular thing about the syntax. You can remember this type of syntax and you can explain thoroughly in the paper. Okay. So let me move with the example number 5. The example number 5 is a string string copy. Remember there is a difference between str and cpy, and whatever I am writing now, that thing. See the difference. So let me write str include stdio.h str include string.h included my both header files, moving with my main function now, returning the 0 path. So whenever you're doing coding, please also orally describe what the things are you doing. No need to shout loudly like me. I am explaining you. That's why I'm telling you. If I'm doing alone, I will be just memorizing or telling myself in my mind. Okay. But in the interview, you want to speak. You want to speak like mine. How so? Whatever things you are doing, you need to explain in the front. Because if you sit like this only and you are writing code and you are directly showing output, then he will be might in confusion. Are you learn all the code or you don't know the concept? So whenever you are explaining each and every line, please explain it. Let me now write char. So let me write char s as copy me. So I want to show you the concept of a copy. So let me write copy me. So what the thing is happening? So let me write char d, just taking a variable name. Okay, and okay, char d, good. So after that, what can I do? I want to store that as whatever I take a s variable. Let me give it proper name. So I can give the name as a source. This is my source and this is my destination. So from source to destination, both things will be same as I am doing the string copy concept. Okay, let me add a semicolon. Okay, why it is showing red line? Incomplete type is not allowed. What is the incomplete type here happened? Copy me. What is the mistake? Okay, sorry, I have not written length of it. If you are declaring as it is, so it is expecting some size from you. Okay, remember this thing. Now let me go ahead. So I am writing here copy the content of source. You can see if I write content copy the content of h2d, how bad it sounds. How bad it sounds. If I write copy the content of source to destination, it means you are understanding. Yeah, from source we are copying something into the destination. This is called the proper naming of a variable. Okay, strcpy. So this is the basically the function we are taking and using from the your string.h. Okay, so what is the work of strcpy? Again mentioning, you by the help of result itself you will be getting understanding of the concept. First, write your destination because we want to store it in destination from what? Your source. From what? Your source. Let me print. What I need to print now? Print the copied string. So you can see a basic copy operation is doing. Okay. So see printf copied string percentage backslash n comma destination. Okay. So I enter destination. So you can see with the format I have written the syntax. First I have written destination, then the source. Why I have written this one? Because I need to store my source or string into the destination. Now if I save it, so basically this program uses strcpy. You can see to copy the content of a source string to the destination string. Again repeating the same thing again and again. Now see the result. So yeah, you can see in the copy string I have written your destination here itself and the string which was in my source part, and it is I got in the destination itself. Okay, if you don't know the exact size, go with the large size. No worries, you can write whatever size you want. Okay, why I'm not writing a big numbers? If you write a big number, it will take a more memory. So if you know near value, means you think it will be near to this value, go with the nearest value. This is a concept. Okay, in future we'll be learning about it also. You can see getting the output. Okay, this was the last question. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Please let me know. Yeah, Prajwala, what is the doubt? Is any doubt, Prajwala? Yeah, Prajwala, you have raised the hand. Any doubt? And what about others? If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you don't have doubt, please let me know through the comment section. How was the today's session? Have you learned not many good questions? Have you ever seen this type of questions? Okay, Prajwala, you want to repeat me this thing again? I'm repeating. Yeah, very good. If you don't understand, please let me know. See, Prajwala, we have done this simple part as I think you know about this. That is, we have included our header file in our code and we return main function doing the return part. So in this code, we are using the function that is strcopy. Why strcopy string copy? Because our question itself mentions you need to copy the source, whatever thing is in the source, into the destination. So basically, for as an example, I have taken this much string, but in real-time example, there will be string of might be it can be around this much size. It will be any vast. The size will be very vast. So you need to copy that string particular to the this string. What thing will be following? Okay, you will be telling Control C, Control V. That's not a worry because in when you are talking about a programming, Control C, Control V not does matter. And what you are doing, Control C, Control V, it is also programmed. Okay, whatever doing Control C, Control V, it is also programmed. Okay, there is basically functionality provided to your keyboard. Some instructions are provided. That's why when you do Control C, Control V, it give copy and paste. Remember this thing. So here just we have written this thing and we have written destination as well as a source. and after that we are just printing the destination. The same thing means whatever you want to interchange or as well as want to copy from it, you can do by writing this strcpy function itself. I hope now it is clear, Prachwala. Yes or no? Yeah, good. Yes, all can let me know how was the session. I taken 5 examples. Was those all example good or new to you? Yes. Yeah, it was a new questions. Okay, that is good thing. All are good. Easy to understand. Yeah, easy to understand. So the I'm trying my best. I'm going to the zeroth level to explain you the concept. Okay, remember this thing. Easy. Okay, spelling. No worries. If I have made any spelling mistake, you can correct in your side also. Okay, I'm writing in two speed. If any mistake occurs, please correct from your side. I am talking about how was the session now. Hope you understand all the things properly. And I will be seeing, yeah. So soon we will be completing our C playlist, C programming languages as well as all videos will be uploaded in the YouTube. After completion of playlist, all the comments, our team will be going to review. Okay, remember this thing. So who will be the winner? Will be getting a T-shirt of Kodia, printed T-shirt from the Kodia. Remember this thing, okay? After completion of playlist means after completion of our structure and function. After that, some question practicing. We will be going to perform and we will be giving you some time span, okay, around 5 to 10 days, so you can go through all the videos, you can go through all those questions and you can provide the comment in the proper format. Okay, you will be getting some good amount of time, around 15 to 20 days. So after evaluation of all, only winners, there can be multiple winners, okay, for the C playlist, as well as same thing is following for the Python as well as Java. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the session and it was really good because the learning string is a very good thing. Okay, learning string, why it is a good thing? Because whenever you are dealing with a string, you should know all the operations of a string. So today we have learned about the different functions in the string and that are the very important functions. Basically, those functions are used mostly. Okay, remember this point. So yeah, we will hope. I hope that all the concepts are clear and we will meet tomorrow at the same time. That is at 10 o'clock, right? 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. And till that time, goodbye. Have a good night. Please revise the concept and then go to your bed and sleep. Okay? Bye bye. Take care. Happy learning.
Bye. Good night.
Yeah, bye bye, Utkarsh. Bye. Yeah, welcome, Pranjali. Bye bye. Good night. Yes, you can leave the meet. Okay? No worries.